Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades, Bbai stock, Bigbear.Ai. I would wait for this to come back down to around the purple line. The purple line is the money maker here. So wait for $4 and under and start accumulating it for the next run. I pounded the table on this. I'm probably going to buy some. Maybe I should buy it. No, I'm not going to buy it Leap. What am I saying? No. But $4 and under. That purple line is the moneymaker. Here, let me show you what happens over the long term. It goes all the way, way up above the purple line. Then it tanks to the purple line, and then that's when you want to buy because you're buying at a discount at $3, $4 compared to 10. The suckers that chase, and then it pumps again, right? And then eventually it comes back down. It's always done this. It pumps huge, comes back to the purple line, and under it you accumulate it nice and cheap down here. Then another big run, and this repeats. But you have to be able to sit on it though. You got to sit on it for months at a time. But it's well worth it because then when it pumps like 80%, you're just like, oh, thank you for chasing it up for me so I can dump it on your head. It's really that easy. Now, is this going to continue to happen every single time forever? Maybe. That's the pattern. It's been happening for years. Might as well abuse it until it doesn't work out. That's why you don't go all in. You got to have some kind of risk management. But so long as you're not, going crazy and going all in, you'll make your money here on these 50 to 80% moves. If you bought down here under the purple line, you made, it went to what, $6? So yeah, you could have made 100%, which is good. Like I don't know why people want more than that. People want like 1,000%. I get it, but this is beautiful right here to see. I would expect it to pull back to the purple line with that huge selling pressure. We really needed to break above 5 and hold. We didn't. We broke above it and we tried to push higher today, but the selling pressure stepped in and pushed it all the way down below 5. So this would have to close above 5. But even then, I wouldn't bother with it. Let it come down nice and cheap. That's what we're about. Buying cheap. Patreon.com/Shades and Trades if you want to join the Discord. That's literally all we do. We just sit around and do nothing. And then, oh, it's real cheap, 50% off. Okay, we're buying. And then it goes up above the purple line. This is called mean reversion. That's the technical term. I just don't like to use that term because some people might not know what that means. Not a lot of people know what that means if I use the word mean reversion. But what that means is the stock price fluctuates around the purple line, right? It goes around it, right? Up, down. It goes up and down around that purple line. It's been doing that since 2023, so going on 2 years now. Over 2 years. 2 years and a half now of the same pattern. In those 2 years and a half, there's been 1, 2, 3... Yeah, there's been plenty of runs, like 10 runs, where you could have made 50 to 100% or more. So the question is, do you have the patience, though? My strategy works. My strategies work. It's just it requires a ton of patience and discipline. Obviously, no one wants to pay $50 a month to join a Discord just to make money in like 4 months. But that's because they're short-sighted, right? They want to make 50% right now, not in a few months. But look, I don't want to be sitting here day trading. I'd rather just sit on a position and then eventually it pops. It goes back above the purple line. I sell it to the people chasing. I don't have to worry about like, oh man, I'm chasing. I hope it continues to go up. No, it's already going up. Let them push it up for me and I'll bag some idiot. That's what it is. I'll bag someone stupid enough to chase. I don't know who buys these tops. People always ask me, who buys these tops? I don't know. Someone dumb. Clearly a lot of dumb people. I mean, I don't know how you can't see this pattern. It's such a simple strategy, right? Purple line, buy under purple line, and then when it fluctuates back above the purple line, you take profit. So I'm waiting on 4 and under. Don't buy up here. That is it for the video. Short, sweet, and to the point.